Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure. Here is a tutorial on how to write a Python program to print even numbers within a specified range. ### tutorial, Python program to print even numbers in a range. 1. Define the range *. First, you need to specify the starting and ending points of the range within which you want to find even numbers. 2. Loop through the range *. Use a for loop to iterate through each number in the specified range. 3. Check for even numbers * within the loop, check if each number is even or not. An even number is divisible by 2 with a remainder of 0. 4. Print even numbers *. If the number is even, print it to the console. ### example code. ### explanation. In this example, we define the range from 1 to 20 using start equals 1 and end equals 20. We then use a for loop to iterate through each number in the range. Within the loop, we check if the number is even by using the modulo operator % to check if there is no remainder when dividing by 2. If the number is even, we print it to the console using the print statement. ### output. By following this tutorial, you can create a Python program to print even numbers within a specified range.